Identifying gaps. Dive into academic research. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of academic research, focusing on a skill that's critical for budding researchers and students alike: identifying gaps in existing research. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp on how to spot areas that require further exploration, making your research endeavors both impactful and valuable. A research gap is essentially an area of study that has not been explored adequately or lacks evidence in the existing literature. It's like a puzzle piece missing from a jigsaw, and your research can fill in that piece. Identifying these gaps ensures that your work contributes meaningfully to the field. Originality. Finding a gap means you're working on something that hasn't been covered exhaustively. This can lead to pioneering work in your field. Value to the community. By filling a gap, you're addressing a question or a challenge that the academic community hasn't fully answered. A clear path. Knowing where the gap lies can give direction to your research, saving time and resources. Before you can find a gap, you need to be well versed with existing studies. Here's how. 1. Regular reading. Dedicate time to reading journals in your field. This helps in staying updated. 2. Use abstracts. Read abstracts of papers first. They provide a quick overview and can help in deciding whether the paper is relevant. 3. Take notes. As you read, jot down key findings, methodologies used, and any acknowledged limitations or areas for future research. Once you're familiar with the literature, here's how to identify gaps. 1. Look for limitations. Authors often mention the limitations of their studies. This can be a goldmine for identifying research gaps. 2. Questions unanswered. After reading a paper, ask yourself, what questions do I have that were not addressed? 3. Comparative analysis. Compare findings across different papers. Contradictions or different viewpoints can highlight potential gaps. 4. Feedback from peers. Discussing your readings with peers or mentors can help spot areas you might have missed. After identifying a gap, it's time to 1. Formulate a clear research question. This will be the foundation of your research. 2. Determine methodology. Decide how you'll explore this gap: experiment, survey, case study, etc. 3. Gather resources. Based on your research question and methodology, gather the necessary resources and tools. 4. Begin your research journey. With a clear gap in mind and the right tools at hand, it's time to delve deep into research. Identifying gaps in existing research is a powerful way to ensure your academic pursuits are both valuable and innovative. Remember, every significant breakthrough begins with spotting something others haven't seen. Here's hoping that this video has illuminated the path for you to make your mark in the academic world. Happy researching!